Ryan Gass here at PTP Gun, and today I'm going to show you the disassembly and reassembly of this Smith Wesson Airweight 38 Special for the purposes of cleaning and maintaining the firearm. First step of cleaning and maintaining any firearm is to make sure that the cylinder is open and that the firearm is unloaded. All 6 cylinders of this revolver are empty. We are good to proceed. Now for revolvers, especially ones like this is as far as you're going to actually take it apart when it comes to cleaning and maintaining your firearm. All right, we have our cylinder open. We can clean each one of the chambers as well as the barrel. We can get inside the trigger guard and whatnot. And also you can get the hammer back. When you put the cylinder back in, you can go ahead and cock the hammer back as well. All right. Get your Q-tip in there and whatnot, as well as your brush. For more videos on disassembly and reassembly of various handguns, rifles, and shotguns for the purposes of maintenance and cleaning, be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at PTPGun. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you all again for tuning in. Remember to stay safe and to train to survive.